Hi friends, welcome to Customer's Learning Platform. This is Sindhu Radhakrishnan. In this video, we are going to see about solution creation, page creation, and form customization.
Okay. I will create one record for you. So, team, please create one record for all the entities here, so that you can understand the flow. So here I'm going to mention as Kasatara, and I'm giving the phone. So that account information is a section in account form. Okay, I will give just information. Then summary is a tab. So you can relate it with some forms. So here the account information is a section. Here summary details files or tab in your form. So once I save it, so you can give some primary contact for this Casadara account. So the primary contact may be Arun or Muthu. So I have to create that account in contact entity. So this is in contact form. I am going to give all the details about Muthu here. So I have to enter mainly. I have to enter the mandatory field. So after that, I can give other information also. So company here, I am going to link it with Casadara. So you can see that in account name, that Casadara the value gets auto populated.
Hello.
Yes, Mohit.
Actually, lead itself has the customer details, right? Why do we create it as a separate in accounts?
So just for your understanding purpose, I have created from there. From there also we can.
Oh, here, what is the main difference between accounts and leads? Lead
So
itself has its as the customer details, right?
so not entire information about contact in the lead. So the main purpose for account and contact, we have to enter the entire information in that entity. For example, in Casadara means we have to give all the address related informations, all the things in account only. But in lead, we cannot give that address details for that account in lead.
In accounts, we have only details of existing customers only,
Yes,
or already purchased
existing.
customers only.
Yes. So from there itself, you can create a new account. I will show you how you can create
Just
a new
1 second.
account.
Sorry, stop you.
Okay.
I'm just giving an answer in a different way to Mohit. Mohit,
Okay.
actually,
Okay.
lead, it means all the lead will not be converted as an sales,
Yes.
right? You have the marketing teams or sales teams is meeting with n number of customers. Whether all the leads are converted as confirmed sales? No, right?
No, only some of the leads only converted into sales.
Exactly. So that time they didn't. Whenever they are meeting, we don't need of all the customers to be created as a customer in account system, right? It is junk kind of it. So that's why the lead, they will be giving minimum information. What is the lead? Once a lead is converted as an opportunity, that time they will be creating as a confirmed customers in the accounts. Okay.
Okay.
So usually in the business of sales business, all the leads customer information will not be enter into our main accounting systems, main accounts in the customers under customers. Okay, the confirmed lead opportunities, and it will be converted as a confirmed ordered. That will be converted as those customers will be created as an account.
Okay. Could you please show how leads are created here?
Yeah,
Okay, sure. I will go one by one.
Okay.
So in account, we have to give the primary contact as Muthu.
Okay, I'm coming to that. Why we providing a contact? If suppose I'm a direct instead of company, it's a direct contact, direct person. Then whether that contact is mandatory?
No, the contact is not a mandatory primary contact.
Okay, fine.
Sure.
Then if I'm a direct customer, will it be creating as a customer as entry in the account section or contact section?
In account section.
Okay, in account section. Okay. So anyone have any questions? What is primary contact? I'm asking the questions to who is learning new, not for known persons of Tamil and Sindhu. Why you need a primary contact?
In case of any emergency or any needs, primary contacts will be contacted. So that is what the primary contact.
Any emergency? What kind of emergency? What kind of contact?
Like, is there any requirements or any approvals from the higher officials in terms of?
That's correct. Okay. Yeah. See, if it is, you should not directly contact to company, right? The company is the name only. The Kasadara. Kasadara means you supposed to contact anyone in the Kasadara, right? Any HR teams or any the teams from the leadership teams, kind of it, right? That's why we are mentioning as a primary contact. Okay. So usually the in from the Kasadara aspect, Muthu is always to be a primary contact for all the companies. No, right? So the Kasadara is engaging with multiple organization, but each organization with the primary contact will be vary. Okay, so for that customers, I mean the Kasadara as a for Kasadara, that company of the Selvi is creating is a customer, right? So we have vendor or customer maybe. So that person, the identified person, only going to be work with them. So that contact only going to be mentioned. Okay. You have to think from as a Kasadara, and sometimes you have to think from the sales of the organization which Selvi is created. Right? You have to think from that angle. Also, you have to think from uh, the customer's angle also. Then only you will be easily understand how the business is running and why these entities are bringing this in this sales entity. Okay, if you work in some other entity of some other apps, I mean field services app, it will be little different. Okay, so please raise a questions and think of it, even if it is wrong, and you just what Mohit is asking is a valid question. So we already have accounts in the customer information in lead. Why we are having a separate entity? We can reuse it, right? So even that's a valid questions. If suppose if you're asking the questions which is irrelevant, you don't worry. Okay, for you, for it's actually whoever is answering, it is not a relevant one, but for you, it's you're supposed to know it. Because why we need a timeline? You can ask, right? Why the timelines are entered? What is timeline? Well, that fax number, website, parent account. What is parent account? You don't know. No one is asking the questions of parent account, right? So you're supposed to ask the questions. So what is available in the details? Why files are required? What files you are going to be upload? You can ask these questions, right? So everything is a business question. So technically, you have to ask how to customize and all those stuffs, and also you have to ask what is the questions which is also to be to understand the ERP systems much better. Okay, you don't assume anything. You should not assume, because assumption, maximum times assumptions will not be work out, because you assume a different, but actual business is different. Okay, don't assume. You raise your questions and clarify. If we don't know, I mean, Sylvie, Chindu, or Tamil, and myself is not answerable. So we're ready to understand ourselves, observe the questions, and we're ready to help you. If you whatever the question which you're asking, you're not able to answer all the questions. If you are able to answer, we will answer. Or else we will be note these questions, and then we will check with the other persons, whoever is well expert in the CRM systems, and then we will get the information and then we'll share to you. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Good.
Okay. Okay. So, like Muthu said, what is parent account means? So, for example, if you take TCS Chennai as a head one, so it will have many branches, right? So TCS in Bangalore or TCS in Coimbatore maybe. So we can link the TCS Chennai as the parent account, right? Can you relate it? Okay. So what are the activities we have added in timelines means we can add the activities like email, meeting, phone call, task, and customer voice alert sessions. So here the activity is in one of the activities is an activity table where you can include all the mails, phone calls, related informations, letter, facts, and campaign response services activities. So you can enter all the informations here. So this one you can add it with the timeline. So if I go into, so you can see now. So for this A data term corporation, you can see in the timelines, you can see the meetings, related things, and if you can link anyone means you can see the entire information. So what is the meeting is about? It is about the opportunity. Is one of the opportunity for data tab. So you can see all the details here. Okay. So here this contact one is a subgrid. I will tell more details about the subgrid in later session. Just you can know about what is what, like that in this session. So this is the contact, it is a subgrid. So assistant is also section. Then if you click details tab, you can see the company profiles, contact preferences. So if my preferences of my contact is only email means you can select allow. So I don't want to anybody to call through mobile means you can set it as don't allow. So for uh, this is the information about contact preferences section. So billing and shipping method and freight terms. So you can check one by one fields later, and if you have any doubts, let me know. So if you want to add some documents related thing means you can add it in the grid, and you can also add the asset and locations. And this is the related tab where you can see all the related entities for the account. Okay. So this is the things about account and contact, and dashboard is an nothing but it is an overview of data. So you can see the just to see the overview, what are the open opportunities or what are the open leads, or you can see embed some charts here, or you can embed some list here in this dashboard. So it will give the overview of the sales data, or it is a customized one. So we can customize the chart and views here in the dashboard. So leads. So I am going to create a Mohit, can I create new lead for that, for your question?
Oh, yes.
So topic. I am going to create a new one. So topic. These are the mandatory fields. I am going to save it then. Okay. This is a lead for an existing contact and a company. I am now I will create a new one here. So if it is existing contact or account, you can give it from, this is the business process pro. I will explain later. So once you, if it is the lead for existing contact or account, you can give all the details here and click next stage. Next stage means once it is closed means it will create a lead for an existing account and contact. So once the lead was successfully qualified,
Actually, closed leads are automatically converted into accounts, or else we only have to create it.
Silly.
yes, Mohim?
Closed leads are automatically converted into accounts, or else we only have to create a new one.
For closed leads, well, if it is not a qualified lead.
Oh, no, it automatically converted into accounts, or else we only have to create a new one.
Lead automatically get converted into.
Okay.
So you can see once the lead was qualified, that account, that KTS accounts gets created here in accounts, and in contact also you can see the Tamil here. So once the lead is qualified. So you can see once the lead qualified, you can it will automatically that opportunity gets created here. Once you can click here whether the opportunity as a closer as a one or closest last. If it is closest one means it will go to quote, then order, then invoice. Okay. So I am.
Selvi, one doubt is like whatever we have created, the new ones, all of them would be saved in contacts only, right? Because, but now you told that once the lead is converted, then it will be saved in contacts like that you mentioned just now. But whatever we have created, the new account or the new lead, it got saved in contacts, right? Before automatically, means you have created new lead as like Tamil. But it got directly saved in contacts, right?
So I have showed the example for two scenarios. One is for creating new account or contact from account and contact entity itself. Then I have showed the scenario for once I created a lead for a new contact or an new account. So
Mhm.
once the lead is qualified, it will automatically goes to account entity and automatically goes to contact entity.
Okay. Once it gets qualified, it goes to
Yes,
the accounts
yes,
and
yes.
contacts.
In backend it will create some flows in the and automatically it goes to account and contact table.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
So I have to add the code here. So I create no.
Hello. Silvika, actually, I have a doubt.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
Suppose if the opportunity is lost,
Okay.
the um, leads detail accounts and contacts still will remain or not?
Still remain.
Okay. We can't delete it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Fine. So I have to create potential customer. That is draft stage. Going to activate the code. I'm going to create an order. It's already closed. Yeah, because I have closed as one. So it won't create. So if I on close the opportunity as won or lost, it will create order from here. So you can see that all the details about the sample quote order from here. So once all the details are okay, so you can create invoice from here. So invoice is generated successfully. This is the functional flow of Dynamic 365 sales. So team, please do an entry for all the entities in sales app. And if you have any questions, we will discuss tomorrow.
Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe.